I'm Jasmine with WTI, and these adorable little slip-on shoes are from the brand Rite. They are the Benji sneakers, and they are just the cutest little shoes for your toddler.
They look like boat shoes. They're so stylish. You can dress them up or down, but most importantly, they're extremely comfortable and lightweight. So your little one can run around freely and be super comfortable. They're also really easy to put on with the Velcro closure. You can't even tell there's a Velcro closure when you look at them. But once you open it, there's so much room for your little one to put their foot in, so you don't have to fight them to put on their shoes, which is always a great relief. They're also machine washable, which is such a game changer, makes life so much easier.
So if you're in the market for some comfy shoes that are really easy to put on your toddler, definitely check out the Benji sneakers from Rite. They're so comfy, they're really well made, easy to clean, and easy to put on. And that's my point of view.